everyone. Welcome back to Teacher's Pride. Today, we are diving into one of the crucial subjects for CBSE 10th board exams, science. If you're looking for the best tips to ace your CBSE 10th science exam, you're in the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Now, let's get started. Tip 1. Understand the syllabus. The first step to success is understanding your battlefield. Know your syllabus inside out. Understand which chapters carry more weightage and focus your energy accordingly. The CBSE science syllabus is vast, but a strategic approach can make it more manageable. Tip 2. Master NCERT textbooks. NCERT textbooks are your best friends. Ensure you've thoroughly studied each chapter from these books. The CBSE exam is based on NCERT, so a strong foundation in these textbooks will go a long way. Pay attention to examples, diagrams, and textual explanations. Tip 3. Create a study schedule. Effective time management is key. Create a realistic study schedule that allocates sufficient time to each subject. Break down your study sessions into smaller, focused intervals. This will help you cover more ground and retain information better. Tip 4. Practice regularly. Practice makes perfect. Solve as many sample papers and previous year's question papers as you can. This not only familiarizes you with the exam pattern but also improves your time management skills. Don't forget to review your mistakes and understand the concepts behind them. Tip 5. Focus on diagrams and formulas. In science, diagrams and formulas play a crucial role. Practice drawing diagrams accurately and memorize important formulas. A valuable diagram or a correct formula can earn you extra marks and showcase your understanding of the concepts. Tip 6. Group study and discussions. Engage in group study sessions with your classmates. Discussing concepts with peers can provide new perspectives and deepen your understanding. Teaching a concept to someone else is a great way to solidify your own knowledge. Tip 7. Regular revision. Don't wait until the last minute to revise. Regularly revisit what you've learned. This will reinforce your memory and reduce stress during the exam. Create concise notes for quick revision, focusing on key points. Conclusion. And there you have it, some of the best tips to excel in your CBSE 10th science exam. Remember, consistency is the key. Stay positive, stay focused, and you'll surely achieve great results. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Best of luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy studying!